See that? You know what that is? It's coming from that. That's AC water. That's a secondary overflow line that no one has cleaned out the pan or done the condensate line. That's your primary condensate line. This is how much water runs out of here. It's eating the surface. It's eating the surface of the concrete where the pebbles are coming out of the concrete. But this here, this long-term leak, is from the air conditioner overflow pan. It's your secondary one. They usually put it by a window so you know you've got a problem. I guess these people must be in denial because they got a problem and it ain't getting fixed. So, make sure, folks, you have your AC checked at least once a year, maybe twice a year, if you have lots of kids and dogs and hair and stuff floating around your house. But it's important that your AC lines be clean. 3-ton unit will do 5-6 gallons on humid days, so make sure you call your AC guy.